So the CTF Accelerator program provides students and teachers the opportunity to reimagine their learning through engaging with problem solving, rapid prototyping, and design thinking.
One of the things that I learned from the Accelerator program was just the ability to be able to go back and try something again with the rapid prototyping.
The students have the opportunity to engage with the CTF outcomes through rich hands-on experiences and connecting with local community mentors and entrepreneurs.
I think the value of having mentors in the classroom is that it provides a real-world connection outside of the classroom.
If I was able to experience a program like this, it would give me a template on being creative.
I would have benefited a lot from the actual process of designing and creation, because when I was a child, we kind of had this illusion of there's a question and the answer, and it's more about memorization than creating things, such as creating knowledge or creating projects or coming up with new designs.
It wasn't until university that I really understood about that process. So yeah, I think learning it earlier is key to having better products in the end.
I found these students really inspiring. I could see their thought processes already working towards becoming engineers or architects or even entrepreneurs. So I think that this program really opened up a lot of doors.
One of the coolest things I saw was when they kept having a chance to redo something, that they really just became really confident with things and were able to take things on kind of as experts.
We were able to take ownership over the project and actually want to make changes, not just because we were told. We wanted to do it for ourselves to get a good product in the end, so we were definitely really independent on that and just really imbued in the entire project as a whole.
Something that I learned was that this actually happens in real life, like people actually follow this cycle, not just in classes, like in the real world.
I think the greatest benefit is that it puts the problem in the kids' hands and they become the people who need to solve the problem. There's a lot of life skills that come out of that. The problem solving, the critical thinking is very evident in everything they work and do.
I think the value of rapid prototyping in the classroom is the opportunity to try something pretty low stakes, low risk, find out if it's going to work, and then if it doesn't, adjust and try again. So it's just a way to avoid that kind of getting to the end and feeling like you failed, rather just trying and failing early.
I feel like when you fail, you're not failing. I used to think that and get really frustrated, but you're just changing it to make it better.
Well, with rapid prototyping, it's really easy to see where you're going wrong, especially in several different attempts. Like, okay, we've tried this so many times, that didn't work out. What have we been doing wrong? What can we change?
It also puts more emphasis less on the product at the end and a little bit more on the process and what you're learning as you go.
Because there's a lot of people that have to be involved and their ideas have to be shared. And sometimes you can think, my idea is the best idea because you came up with it, but you also have to cooperate with other people and try to understand what they're saying.
And I've had a lot of teachers come by and while my kids are in there, and one of the things that they consistently said was every single time that I came into the class, your kids were focused and engaged and really had a purpose.
It was really nice to have our own independence with the project because we got to take it where we could and we were able to learn so much faster from our own mistakes versus just our teacher explaining them to us.
I think it's going to be an experience that they remember. Yeah.